I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's your latest weather on demand forecast. Well, today it was a very chilly day, but yet seasonal in a lot of places across upper Michigan. We did top out in the 40s across Escanaba and even 43 in Iron Mountain. Those were the warmest readings across the UP. Did see 40 also in Newberry, but getting closer to Lake Superior, only 32 degrees at the Weather Service. Of course, the elevation does take control there. So Marquette City proper about 2 or 3 degrees warmer, mid-30s there. Houghton also influenced by the lake as well, 33 there, and 38 degrees was the high temperature Saturday in Ironwood rather. But things are going to be shaping up to be pretty similar to what they were early Friday morning. Unfortunately, that does mean a winter weather advisory is in effect for us through noon Eastern time on Sunday for more ice for all the counties in purple, which of course is everyone with the exception of Menominee County. And that's going to be mainly for the impacts to roadways and again for surfaces, which does include cars and sidewalks. So definitely be careful out there early Sunday morning if you're out going to church services early in the day. You can already see some of the rain starting from the south, creeping up to the north. As notice, the cloud deck is not really too far northeast of Copper Harbor. Elsewhere, though, it has been very cloudy and overcast, which has kept temperatures really suppressed in Marquette County. Off to the east, they did see a little bit more sun, which helped to boost them to 40 degrees. Of course, with the sun angle this time of the year now, heading last week of March, doesn't take much sun to warm us up near or surpassing 40 degrees. The winds continuing at this hour from the east, and they are strongest. If you notice off in the east, 22 from Manistee, 20 from Iron Mountain, a little bit less than that, 10 from the west out in Ironwood. So that will be the trend as well as the drier air will continue to infiltrate from the east. Therefore, temperatures will be the coldest in the east, and it will be the most icing out in that direction. So definitely, if you're out in the east, be careful out there where you could see a tenth to as much as a quarter inch of ice, which is exactly what we saw on Friday morning. Bigger headlines here for the next week. We're going to start clearing out early week, so Monday, especially midday Monday, that's when we will see some sunshine into the middle part of next week. But really, all in all here, the winds are going to hold those keys to where our temperatures will go through at least the greater portion of next week, which means areas closer to Lake Superior will see more a lakeshore component develop, and that means temperatures will be colder near the lake than they will be inland. So head inland, then you're warm up about 10 degrees or so, and that pretty much will be the trend right on through next Friday. Right now, though, that is definitely not the trend. Much warmer to our south. They've seen 60s and 70s in the Ohio and Tennessee valleys. And for us, we are just once again in the cold sector, but not cold enough to see snow, even out of this next system as well, as an influx of moisture comes up from the south. And so once again, the two air masses are battling it out, the warmth down south, just to the other side of Detroit. And so our weather is going to be impacted by that throughout the day on Sunday as a wintry mix of freezing rain, primarily freezing rain early on Sunday. Here's a look at the rain totals. This is what I'm concerned about with overnight Saturday into Sunday morning. We're talking about a tenth to much of a quarter inch. This is all ice, by the way. It's after this. This is all rain, and then it won't be a problem much, I'd say even by 10 a.m. onward. We can see another quarter inch of rain, but of course, just get through the morning hours, and that's where we'll see temperatures sub-freezing or at least close to 32. Areas also near the lakes won't fare as badly as everyone else, but once again in the highlands of Marquette and Bexar counties, will be another repeat of Friday morning, but our highs on Sunday will be from 36 to 41 from north to south. Your TV 6-day forecast, though, does feature some nicer looking days for the last week of March. Rain showers ending early on Monday, temperatures right around 40, not too good there, but Tuesday and Wednesday we will see the sun, and that means typical of late winter, early spring, low 40s around the Great Lakes and mid 40s even near 50 inland.